Diesel generators have powered wastewater pump stations for decades. Erie County is changing that. Wastewater pumping stations are critical to managing sanitation in population centers. Our 150 kilowatt-hour RPSLinkIN fail-safe battery system is now delivering up to 90 hours of clean, reliable backup power at a wastewater pumping station in Hamburg, New York, reducing costs, diesel consumption, and maintenance burdens while advancing decarbonization goals. A generator powering a single pump can cost $5,000 to $10,000 annually in maintenance, fuel, labor, and management expenses. With real-time monitoring and alarms, the Viridi BESS also minimizes truck rolls, ensures operational reliability, and enables immediate problem detection across all stations. Battery backup systems deliver efficiency and sustainability, offering a smart solution. Power you can trust. Sustainability you can scale. Let's build a more resilient energy future together.